Adding extra baggage in your Lufthansa flight is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can add extra baggage in your Lufthansa's flight. So for that, you have to be at their website. As you guys can see, I'm at their home page of their website. We have two kind of scenarios. So the first scenario is you want to add the extra baggage for the flight that you haven't booked yet. So for that, you just have to click on the flights you want to book. You just have to start booking the flight. While booking the flight, you will be able to easily see the option for extra baggage. You just have to check that extra baggage. They'll ask you how much it should weigh, and you just have to pay extra few bucks for that. But in this case, we have already booked the flight and now we want to add some extra baggage. So for that, you just have to be at the website. You just have to click on this My Bookings. Now here you have to type in the booking code and your last name. And after that, you just have to click on Show. What it will do is it will show your booking page or the flight details that you booked before. And in those details, you can easily add it and extra baggage. Of course, you have to pay some extra bucks for adding the extra baggage as well. But in case if you are having problem that this page is in German, as usual, it was in German by default, you just have to click on this icon and translate into English. So that's how you guys can solve the problem. Hope you guys found this video helpful.